This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$85 you winning for this afternoon. Enjoy this. 5 last rounds. Yet again, let me remind you. 3 number 1s here and the numbers 20. 696 players in here. Happy to have you in here. How are you doing today? Best case, thank you. We are doing a little bit of a slower spin because who knows where the slow spin can take us, right? Maybe the slow spin is the answer for something great. Stay. Oh boy, 2x. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a slow spin. Just another proof that not only the fast spins can bring you the victory, but also some slow spins. Yeah? Good luck, everybody. But yeah, let's do a fast spin because usually you like fast spins, guys, yeah? Come on, baby. 7x. 7x. Stop! Oh, no way! That is a 7x! Oh my goodness! 14x multiplier, and you don't know where this is going to land. Should we do a slow spin or a fast spin? Let's do a slow spin again. Who knows where this is going to take us, but 14x! Ah! Why nobody's writing anything in the chat? Where's your surprise? Where's your shock? Come on, come on. How much is that? 14x 40. Oh! No, but for real, how much is that? 200 players won. CC my E top star 1,629. You winning for the summoner. Crazy. I mean, I don't know what to say.
Next, enjoy the winners, 130 winners, and we have 3 score sticks with a 400 on the top. Amazing 400 for you all. Gamble, let's enjoy. Betting time. We can also use triple B for best bestie. Best bestie besties. Good luck. Best beastie besties. Best beastie besties. Or best Bulgarian beans. Oh, another one! 7x again. We're on fire with the 7x. There's a gold number again. Let's spin and find a house for this gold one. One more time. We have been given a second chance in here. Second chance with a 7x. Let's see what it will become. The BBB is working on the wheel. Best Bulgarian beans. Working on the wheel. Oh, another one! 7x again, guys. That's up. Beautiful. 49x in here. Amazing. Let's spin this 49x. On fire. On fire. I gotta say. Good luck, guys. Let's do it again. Let's do it. Third time's the charm, right? Let's spin that 7x into another 7x. No, that's 49x into another 7x. Let's do it. Come on, wheel. Oh, that 40. Imagine. It's a 40 red, guys. We have a 40 red in here. Woo! 49x with a 40 red. Amazing round of 90,000 for someone. The highest win I have seen. The highest win I have seen ever here. 90K. Bad girl. Congratulations. 49x with a 40 red. You guys, congratulations. Let's do it again. Back to back. Back to back. We had